Graham, what have we got left to do?
That there is all we've got to do.
We're up to the last little...
And the only trouble is, we're up to our last bag of cement. The trailer is empty. I'm using these little bags here, so I have to go to get another trailer load of sand I don't need. And we're just about finished. It's been a big job.
Thank God for that.
Yep.
It's back-breaking.
Then we can go away on our little caravan.
This is what we've done. We've done all this, all the way around here. A bit rough and ready, but I think it looks alright. We did all that today. We're so glad when we don't have to get on our hands and knees and play with the cement mud. I want the straight sides done first, please, so I can do the edges and then we'll fill in the jigsaw puzzle. Oh, no, that's too sloppy. You'll have to go back. That's too sloppy. Well, you're going to have to mix that again. Sorry. That looks better.
Making mud pies, Joanne.
Yes, it is. Like making just the straight sides is what I need. Someone's whistling at you, Graham.
Yeah. One of my birds.
One of your many birds.
So, not much to go now, Joey. Oh yeah, I can see. Good job, Joey. Not much more to go now, Joey. So this is what we did today, and yeah, it's going to look really good. Just got to work out how to clean it up and put some sort of coating on it to make it look nice. You'll be pretty happy. So this is just a little bit of a thing that Joey wanted me to do, or us to do together. The weather's been so good here for May, which is amazing. Last time we were up in Hay, it was actually very cold. We had frosts and icy puddles and everything, but yeah, we kept ourselves busy. Last one going in. Oh, perfect shape there too. Yeah, I think it will. Yeah, it's going down. Those white mallets are good, aren't they? Better than black ones. So this is the final result. Joe actually placed every one of these pieces of rock. I actually mixed the concrete and put the bed down for her to put it on. It's good teamwork, and yeah, we're really satisfied. So we're going to wait for it to dry, and we'll put some sealer on it. And yeah, very happy with the outcome. Can't wait to start using the Barbie.